Hello,
Good
Tulsi
morning,
ma'am.
Jay. Good morning. How are you?
Good ma'am.
Nice to see you. It's a surprise for us, both of us.
Same here actually. I'm happy to see all of you. Bundle of joy, bundle of positivity, sub all in my one phone set. I'm taking one screenshot.
Love behind you also.
There's a symbol.
Heart.
Okay,
I
friends.
took one screenshot of positiveness.
Yeah. Okay, I wanted to start this program. Welcome to this show. We are talking about how to be positive in these tough situations. Everybody's under stress. Everybody's feeling so many things. So here there are a lot of people who's filled with a lot of positivity and lot of happiness. So I want you to define what is happiness, definition, and how you can bring the happiness through dance, through music, through laughter. So this is the idea of doing this. So in this program, I wanted to introduce Dr. Hari, who's a doctor, and he. Namaste.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, he is into the work of joyfulness and all. And Madhu and Tulasi, both are dancers. They express their love, they express their feelings, they express their happiness through dance forms. Like she's a expert in Kuchipudi dances, and Madhu is, he can do any dance, and they have a big what do you call, they have a Sirimuva Arts. It's a unit where they will try to show to the people how to dance. I just wanted to introduce just 1 minute. Sudaji?
It's one of the leading dance and fitness academy of the state, offering many dance styles in Western, such as old school hip hop, new school hip hop, locking, popping, b-boying, crumping, house dance, jazz, Indo jazz, contemporary, dance hall, whacking, and many more. And also Kuchipudi in classical. Well, that's not it. We are much more worried about the upcoming generation. So, keeping this in mind, we Sirimova Arts, a vibrant team, has started this mission to bring equality, health, and unity. We have done more than 400 free dance and fitness workshops to create more awareness about health in society through different sectors like school students, teachers, and gated communities. We have also been associated with Times of India to help people reach their full fitness potential through road shows, and Rotary Club International also supported for the same. Not only dance, we have done many yoga camps for free, and also to encourage our Indian culture, we have done Namaskar walk with students and their parents along with many eminent personalities. We have also worked for Telangana State Police SHE team.
So I just wanted to introduce both of them, Tulsi and Madhu. They have done a great work in the area of dance and teaching yoga and teaching a lot of other forms. So now I just wanted to introduce Sudha Jain. She's a Mrs. Asia Pacific.
Hello.
And she's always happy, always smiling. So we wanted to know the secret of what is the smile, what is the how she'll get the happiness and all. And Dr. Hari, he was a doctor, but he also have an organization. So today, luckily, today is a happy laughter day.
Oh, wonderful.
So
Okay.
Happy laughter day to all of you.
Thank you. So there's all the smiles in the photo. So you can take one more photo, Sudhaji.
Yeah, I'll take that.
So this happiness, this happiness and this positivity, we wanted to give it to all the people who is watching this program. So first I wanted to ask Sudhaji, you have any questions, and you wanted to say something about how to be happy. And as you are saying definitions, different people have different definitions. So,
Yeah, I believe that. Actually, thank you for this questions. Yeah, my brain is full of questions. Whenever I met a lot of any of the people, it's like I just want to know more. Actually, that's the thing, and I think that's good. And uh, yeah, sometimes I'm control myself that people should not got irritated with me. But yeah, I ask a lot of questions. That's the thing. And yeah, regarding happiness, definition of happiness is like. Every person have their own this thing. There's not a specific any dictionary meant for this is the definition of a happiness, that you smile this much of inch, it means you are happiness. If your teeth are like glowing or your smile is glowing, you are happy. No, that is not kind of definition of happiness from, as per my side, because happiness is belong to a personal individuality, like. And for me is like, if your heart jump, if your heartbeat is like you're able to hear from ear, you are happy that moment. And the thing is that few persons who can understand that कि yes I can मैं अपनी अपने हार्ट की आवाज सुन पा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे खुशी क्या चीज से मिली. Those persons are a little ahead. They can find that happiness and they can save that happiness. And whenever life is like up and down part of thing, so whenever these kind of situation arise, just those kind of people just remember those heartbeats. So that point of sadness, that point of going low in your life, that is like very smooth. Like I usually update to my, when I go for like training for my models or something, I always update them that there is no word struggle in my dictionary, because I remove that struggle word from my dictionary, because I just change that word as a struggle to learning, because you learn something at that moment, and while learning there is always very hard. You don't want to learn anything as an individual. Every person or human being, very few people are like very keen to learn. Otherwise आप किसी भी स्कूल में बच्चे को बोलिए आज तुमको ये tables याद करके आना, he was like, oh my god, I have to learn tables. Like learning means like little bit a kind of that. So I just changed that struggle word to the learning word, and that is my secret of happiness. And
Wonderful.
guilt, actually, yeah, I believe that ki if you have guilt in your heart na, whether sorry to say I can use like my point of view, right? I don't have
Yeah,
to restrict
right,
myself, okay, because a lot of positive people are here. So I think guilt is whatever is guilt. Cheating your partners, or cheating your friends, cheating your thoughts, cheating your rules, that is comes under guilt. But when you understand that this is not cheating, this is transferring happiness to one person to another person, for that you are hiding something, that is not a guilt. So there is a difference between guilt and
True.
hideness.
Yes.
So if you understand that a very thin line, that this is a guilt and this is hideness to give happiness to the other, so I think a person can never be unhappy from heart. And the next one is a dance. Actually, I'm not a trained dancer, but I'm a student. I can learn dance. Like if somebody is able to teach me any kind of form, so I can learn that. But I'm not trained dancer anywhere. But yes, I just switch some Bollywood, some kind of old music, and I do dance. I record dance forms, and even bluntly I post on my social media also, whether it is not up to mark or thing. I got few this kind of words, say ma'am is not up to mark, it's okay, fine, it's okay, fine. So like for me is like for definition of happiness is that key, that should not be a guilt inside. And if it is a guilt in your heart, and if you got to know that this is guilt because of somebody, just go and share with that person that I'm feeling guilty that I done something wrong with you, or done something cheating with you. So this is happiness from my side, actually. And
Thank you
just
so much.
like, yeah, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So basically, what you are trying to say is, when you are happy, when you listen to the songs, sad songs or love songs, you are, when you listen to happy songs, the music have that power. At the same time, when you dance, whether people like it or not, when you dance, it comes from within. So when you are dancing open-heartedly, you start enjoying. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt in the middle. You just now said that about music. Actually, there is a difference between India and other world, and that is the reason is a music actually.
Yes.
Well, there is a like 80% difference between Indian people and
The
apart
Western.
from the
Yeah.
world people is a music actually.
Hmm.
People will sing in on like farmers sing in their own way. Other people's like students their own way, parents on own way, we like lori also when we want to give some good thing to our kid while
Children, yeah.
sleeping, we will like some lori, right?
Yes.
So there is also a music.
Yeah.
Because of that, Indian people are more happy, more adjustable, more passionate, and more this thing, less demand. They can, even in lockdown, they can live in this much also. This is
Nice.
Good, good.
Thank you so much. So over to Madhu and Tulsi. Can you tell us how to be happy through dance forms, through laughing meditations, or whatever? You give the tips to us.
Yeah, what Sudhaji has said is perfectly all right. Happiness is like from every individual, it is different happiness. So some people, enjoy by dancing. Some people maybe music. Some people any activity, whichever they do it wholeheartedly, that is their happiness. See, it's like any job. If we want to do it wholeheartedly and we have selected that job, and we'll be happy. Otherwise, just for the money's sake or something, someone is forcing you to do to earn money. So that way, maybe we are not happy. We are just moving on. So like that, happiness is like whatever we want to do it wholeheartedly. That way we can be happy. Yeah, you can.
Yes, yes. But sometimes, like, we will not get a chance to work according to our willing. But what we have to do, we have to convert ourselves and we have to love that work. See, whatever you do in the life, if you do with enjoy, with interest, with love and affection, then dance comes automatically from inside. So dance is nothing but like your body moves according to the rhythm, the harmony. So hormone, when you do something with a harmony, the automatically the hormone glands also activate in your body, and it secretes the happy hormones. And if you are happy, like when you have a happy hormones in your body, then there is no chance to become like illness or disease or unhappy,
Yes.
sadness, anxiety, stress. Nothing will be there. So the nature is there. Nature is completely with harmony. We have to connect our soul and body and mind with nature. So it comes through dance. And as Sudha Madam said, like I am not a professional dancer. It's no need. Everybody by birth they are a good dancer. The how see even the bird sings a song. Even we can also dance with that, right?
Dance is an expression of joy and happiness.
Joy and
So
happiness.
when you do that,
No need any instrumental music also. You can enjoy the nature music. Along with the nature, if you just stretch your hands and move your body according to that, that it's a dance. The dance should be from inside, and when you dance internally, then you will be very joyful and happy, and entire world will be happy, and no virus will touch you. And because the always happy hormones will flow in your body, and it will protect your immune system to from all the inventions from outside whatever comes. So even in this COVID also, every family should enjoy with dance music, and they have to enjoy all the work because they're facing little some people are enjoying and some people are like um, become lazy and doing there. Some people got lot of work to do in the home, but if with enjoy and everybody if enjoy, then you can enjoy this COVID quarantine days, and we can avoid any virus also.
Wonderful.
Yeah, Dr. Hari, you
Yeah.
tell the
Yeah,
new
my
definition
definition
of
of happiness.
Yeah.
Actually, so far I have not thought of a happiness because I speak about the bliss. Okay, about the bliss, Mahadananda. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to define the happiness has three letters, three words. One is in the middle of it is I. See, First one is happening,
Yes.
and third one is awareness. This is a conglomeration of these three things: happening, I, and awareness. So coming to the I, how you are interpreting yourself. The I, is it in the form of the body, or is it in the form of the mind and thoughts? Is it the form of the emotions and intellect, or is it your deeper spirit or soul? So if you are aware of these four elements of yourself, sometimes eating is also happiness, sometimes thinking about girlfriend is also happiness, sometimes releasing our passionate emotion and observing our passionate emotions is also happiness. Sometimes the silence is also very, very happiness in meditation, introspection. So what I want to say is how you are interpreting yourself, the I, the so-called I ego. So when you are aware of your I, if it is in the body, whatever is happening around, for example, sometimes a beautiful girl has come, you will look at it, it is also happiness. Sometimes a beautiful delicious dish has come, it also gives happiness. Like that, if your awareness is at the body level peripheral, your happiness is very, very limited. But if your awareness is total, it is into your core, then your happiness will be maximized. That's why I teach a very simple technique. The spectrum of the happiness starts with outer smile and inner bliss. In the middle, you will get happiness, joy, wonder, and magnanimity. All those things will come. So always try to be at core. And Sudha beautifully said, and Madhu also beautifully said, it is, see, we have three centers. One is head, and second one is heart, and third most important is hara. That means below navel, which is the middle point of your height, which is nothing but your core. If most
Yeah.
of the people, intellectual people, they will think with the head. The all the so-called the positive attitude people and also the right brain people, they will think with the heart. But there should be an amalgamation or combination of head and heart. It should be at the hara, 2 inches below and 2 inches deep to the navel. So if you have focus there, then you will observe the body, how beautifully it is dancing, how beautifully you are enjoying the outer world, how beautiful your thoughts and space between the thoughts, how beautiful are your emotions, because every emotion is energy in motion. So you will enjoy the anger, you will enjoy the so-called, people always think that guilt is a negative emotion. No, you can also find, if you can also look the guilty feeling. Most of the time we are entangled in the guiltiness, but if you witness the third word I said, no, what is happening around I, if you witness it, then everything appears very, very happiness. So how to be in a hara, usually I teach, have a start with a smile, and always look what 2 inches below your navel and 2 inches depth. Then you will be centered, you will be observing Sudha, you will be observing Madhu, you will be observing Nadeem, and you will see the grandeur in there. See, it is not, most of the time we always want ourselves to be appreciated, and we want the nature, we want to appreciate the nature. No, you start appreciating even the minute things. When you find the witnessing itself is a joy. Most of the time the awareness is directly proportional to our enjoyment or happiness. So when you become more aware of yourself, your centeredness, whatever is happening around you, whatever it may be food, physical, or it may be some intellectual thing, it may be song, dance, because dance will balances both yin yang and energies. It also helps in releasing of all our emotions. Music will touch our anahata chakra, that means heart. So when you touch your heart, then unconditional love, sharing, and all qualities, this, even though the act is a music or dance or some spirituality or some teachings or some lessons, most of the times it is awareness. When you are very, very aware, there will be synchronization of your true self to the object outside or act outside. So this synchronicity, this is called synchronization, is or synthesis, or is nothing but happiness what we feel. So in my regular teachings to the medical doctors and also the medical fraternity, I'll make them to observe everything with a smile. For example, some pain in the heart or pain in the shoulder, if you start observing with smile, this attention, this awareness converts the so-called discomfort into divinity. These small things are also doors to the greater happiness, what we call ultimately every awareness activity on anything, it will make us to jump or drive into or dive into the bliss.
Thank you. So according to me, what is happiness is living in this present moment. If you start thinking our past, this has happened, that has happened, then you'll be under stress, or you're thinking this thing. And if you're thinking about the future, what is going to happen to the business, what is going to happen to the future, then again you'll be stressed. So if you're living at this moment, we don't have any stress, any tension. I'm sitting with all the happy people, all the positive people. So
Very good.
if I enjoy this moment, tomorrow will be happy. And as rightly said by everybody, we are lucky to be in India, because whatever food we are eating, it is a nutritious food. We have a lot of herbs in our own food, which can prevent a lot of infections, number one. Number two, we have a very good music and dance, which actually, as Sudhaji said, from the birth, from the lorry to every moment, we are filled with music, dance. So I'm very happy to be here and in the positive group. So I ask everybody, I request everybody to live in this present moment. Don't think about future. The more you think about it, the more it will give you stress. So if your present is happy, you can create a big future. And the third thing is, all the inventions have happened only at the time of crisis. So in the World War I and II, a lot of inventions have happened. Being a sportsman, in all my life, when I reach to the end, when I feel I cannot be selected for any team, so that's where the whole energy will come up. So this is the time to create more inventions. This is the time to do a lot of things. So Madhu and Sudha, anybody you wanted to give some more tips? Madhu?
Yeah, one more. The happiness comes when you love yourself.
Yeah.
So I especially tell to youth also, like people say like I love you so much to the girlfriend, somebody says. So I will say, when you say I love you so much to the some other person, your inner sense, it will feel very like bad. So first you need to love more than love something else.
Yeah.
So when you love yourself, automatically the dancing starts and happiness starts from inside. If you are not loving yourself, you can't love anybody.
Right.
So here I always say first I comes. I means inner. You love yourself. You have to love your organs, your body, everything you have to love. So there will be no complaint. So automatically the happiness comes. Then you can love so much to anybody. But loving yourself is the greatest weapon in this world. So love yourself. That is my word.
So when you love yourself, your immune power will go up. When you hate yourself,
Worry about any.
yeah.
You should not think
Well,
about
yeah.
anything. The body will take care of your immunity and everything.
Yes.
When you love yourself, because mind is such a kind of powerful. When you love yourself, when you command your body, when you command your systems, automatically the things will happen positive way. So there is no chance to be illness. Yeah, this is my way. Like
Yeah.
I love myself mostly. Then I love my wife. I love my family. I love my friends.
Tulsi, you want to say anything about dance or?
Yeah.
As in India, as Sudhaji told that we are really lucky to be in India. Yeah, in India, see, we have many classical dance forms and classical music forms. So, as a dance teacher, I can talk about dance. So, in classical dance, we use lot of mudras and do lot of stamping and all, while dancing. So, as we all know that there are, power points on our fingertips. As we join our fingers, so we can, as these fingers are representatives, of these five elements. So we touch our tip of our fingers. So when we join, so we can balance that particular element. So that is also one benefit of dance, classical dance art form. Also, as we stamp our legs and all, so many of you may be knowing about this acupressure and all. So as we stamp, so all the nerve ends of all the organs are connected to the soul. So when we stamp, so all the nerves will be stimulated, so, and we can be healthy by doing classical dance form. That's my way.
Yeah, thank you. Sudhaji?
Wonderful.
Yeah, voice?
We
Hello?
are not able to hear your voice.
Yeah, voice.
Voice? Hello?
You're able to hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Now.
Hello?
Yeah. Now we.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, yes.
Tell
Yeah,
us.
now we can hear.
So just now I said that yeah. So just now Tulsi ma'am said things like, yeah, we know that ki these tips and everything is like it work, from Dadi Ma and everyone. Like it's like in India, hereditary when you got 5 silk sari, you got these things also with along with your mama papas that ki, yeah, this kind of mudras and everything. But Tulsi ma'am, really, I'm really happy to listen this thing that ki, yes, in dance form also. Yes, it's true. Like we always notice in pictures also, right? Classical dance, some mudras or something. But itna elaborately kabhi socha nahi tha. Once you updated this thing, is like noticeable. And thank you so much for this. And yes, like people just now, like Dr. Hari said, like ki agar ek beautiful dish is also coming up, you feel that ki, something yummy is coming up. You feel happy, right? Because presentation is like beautifully decorated and everything. Before tasted, you feel that ki, oh, something very beautifully coming. Ye to yummy hone wala, ye to tasty hona. That happiness started in your like heart, that ki kuch to yummy khane ke liye mila. Generally we see noticed in kids area, actually when you just present some upma also with the beautiful decorated things or some beautiful shape or some beautiful katora or something, they feel like, what banaya, kya banaya. It's like very, they feel happy, and that happiness indirectly transferred to mama. She feel happy that, okay, my child will have something good, acha se kha lega. It's not that satisfaction and that happiness. So for me, is like people used to use presentation word only for dikhawa. Like few people think that ki if you are very dressed up, if you are very uh, presentable for every place, it's like that lot of showbaji and everything. But no, that presentable word is main key for happiness. It's not just presentable in front of like right now we are sitting in front of a meeting, right? So we are at lockdown, okay, so we are at our comfortable pajamas and that purana wala t-shirt and everything. We feel happy at home with those kind of clothes. But right now we are for meeting, and we are meeting with our friends. So it's, we feel that, okay, we're little bit presentable and we little bit dressed up. Okay, so it's not like that we are doing some dikhawa or something. This is happiness, that you are meeting with your friends. So you want to be presentable in front of that. They after looking at your face, they feel that you are happy. My friend is happy. That is also happiness for yourself, right? So for me, is a presentation word very much important for happiness in anybody's life, whether it's a form of dating. And one more presentation is like the way of speaking. The way you speak, it comes from your heart. So if you are not happy from inside, as Madhu sir said, that you should love yourself first. If you're not loving yourself, that satisfied you word, that beautiful words, that presentable speaking never ever come from your heart. You can speak for 10 minutes or 5 minutes with your good dictionary, but if you the people for 2 hours or 3 hours, automatically, if you're not happy, your the voice, speech, that your eyes stop speaking, that kind will be, this is our mirror, that kind will be shown up. So for me, is happiness is like presentable. So make your body presentable from inside. Outside is there is a lot of thing to make your body presentable, but from inside, if you make your body presentable in form of having whatever kind of food you love, whether it is parantha, whether it is a kind of South Indian, anything, have your favorite food, so that you start your day with your happiness. Start your day with some greenery around you. Start with your day with thinking about your elders. Start your day with thinking about your kids. Start your day with thinking about what you want to do actually. So that internal presentation for your body give you happiness to show outside presentation. So this is my thing of you is that if I said there is a one bowl of milk. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, your
Yeah, yeah.
voice
Thank
is
you. We
very
are
Voice
coming to
is
the end of the
breaking.
meeting. Thank you so much for
Okay.
everyone for great tips. So today, all the stress has gone and we all become more powerful, more energetic,
Yeah.
and start loving ourselves, start presenting well. As Dr. Hari said, we will focus on how to be improve our aura, how to be relaxed. And as Madhu and Tulsi said, we have to work on happiness, love ourselves, work out well, and thank you so much. So please take this. This is an infectious thing. This is an infectious thing. The happiness is like infection. So it has to go spread all over the world and kill all the.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nadeem, for this beautiful meeting, and Dr. Hari and Dr. Madhu and Tulsi ma'am.
Yeah, Dr. Hari sir want to say something.
Yeah. Okay.